Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Confirm your Airpods are standard Bluetooth because Xbox consoles do not natively stream Bluetooth audio. Choose a path. Either buy a low-latency Bluetooth dongle for the controller or use the Xbox app on your phone for party audio. Once decided, put the Airpods in pairing mode by opening the case and holding the rear button until the LED flashes white. Make sure the dongle or phone is powered and ready. Do this first so the next steps connect smoothly and quickly. If you chose a Bluetooth dongle, plug it into the controller or USB port and put the dongle into pairing mode. Each adapter has a pairing button or sequence. If you chose the Xbox app, open Remote Play or join a party, connect to the console, and enable audio routing to your phone. Then, on your phone or dongle, select your Airpods from the Bluetooth device list and accept pairing prompts. This is the critical connection phase. Make sure the LED indicates success and listen for test audio. Finish by selecting the correct audio output in Xbox settings or the app, then adjust game versus chat balance and volume so levels are comfortable. Test both sound and mic. Note that Airpods often won't present a console microphone. You may need to route party chat through the Xbox app on your phone. If audio drops, reset the Airpods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds and repair, or unplug and reinitiate dongle pairing. This single troubleshooting step fixes most connection hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.